Today, the nation's top health official, Robert F. Kennedy Jr., doubling down on his claim that there is an autism epidemic.
Year by year, there is a steady, relentless increase.
The Health and Human Services Secretary pointed to the CDC's own data, showing autism prevalence increased from 1 in 150 8-year-olds in 2000 to 1 in 31 in 2022. Then he offered his own theory for the rise without proof.
This is a preventable disease. We know it's an environmental exposure. It has to be. Genes do not cause epidemics.
Dr. Zach Warren, one of the authors of the CDC report, says there is no one answer, but the best science so far points to genetics.
We have data that a certain percentage of some types of autism can be clearly explained by genetic differences. We have other evidence suggesting that actually it's the complex interplay of environmental factors and all of those things that can influence brain development that we'll need to understand as well.
Is it a preventable disease?
I think it's really challenging to answer that question because autism isn't actually a single thing, right? Autism is a word that we use as a best attempt to capture a wide variety of wonderfully unique children with strengths, developmental vulnerabilities.
Kennedy painted a bleak picture for those with autism.
And these are kids who will never pay taxes. They'll never hold a job. They'll never play baseball. They'll never write a poem. They'll never go out on a date.
Sam Branson has a PhD in physics and is an autism researcher. Both Sam and his 7-year-old son have autism.
We have, I think, vibrant futures. And yeah, to hear someone who's a government official, calling us an epidemic and essentially labeling us as negative outcomes is quite harmful.
Secretary Kennedy says the government will study what he says are potential factors such as mold, pesticides, and food additives. He promises to follow the science and says he expects to have some answers by September. Tom?
And so many families following this back and forth. All right, Ann, we thank you for that.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.